asking me what is the lowest possible value of x. So the main equation they give me, or the algebraic expression they give me, is x squared plus x minus 8 equals 2. And then they give me all these answer choices too, right? So in this case, if the question is saying the lowest possible value of x, one strategy here is to use the answer choices. So let's start with -3. Now, if -3 works out when I throw in for x, out of all of these answer choices, is -3 the smallest one or the lowest possible value? So if this works out, then this is my answer. But if it doesn't work out, then I'll go to -2 and so on. So let's try -3 first. So -3 squared plus -3 minus 8, and let's see if that equals 2, because it's supposed to equal to -2, sorry, according to the problem. So -3 squared is positive 9. 9, and then plus -3 would be 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, and then minus 8, right? So 9 minus 3 is 6, and 6 minus 8 is -2. That worked out, and that's my answer. I'm not going to do anything else because this is the lowest possible value of x out of these answer choices, and it worked out. So that's it. My answer is A. Now, keep this in mind too. The proper way of doing this problem is factoring it out. So first thing you want to do is set this equal to 0. So let's let's do it over here. If I have x squared plus x minus 8 equals -2, I'm going to add 2 here, add 2 here. So that will bring me to x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Now what we want to do is group it out like this, or factor it out like this. So this would be, I need two numbers that would multiply out to x squared, so I have x times x. Now I need two numbers that would multiply out to -6, but add up to a positive 1. So that would have to be plus 3 and minus 2, because positive 3 times -2 is -6, and 3 minus 2 is 1. Now if I set x plus 3 equal to 0, and I set x minus 2 equal to 0 individually, x would equal -3 and x would equal 2. So the two possible answers for this quadratic would be -3 and 2, but -3 would be the smallest one, which is what I got here by just plugging in the answer choices.